Okay, people, we still live from Lagos, where the youth still they protest. See, the youth still they protest and all over Ojota. Lagos for at least the past 1 hour. They don't hold this area siege. Vehicles they fear to even pass. Vehicles they fear to pass. Yes, police the ground, but yet and the protest still day on. Initially in the morning for this same location, police been cordon off the area and the protesters no gree show face. But later, police come, give them space, they come enter, begin the protest. SOC police begin to tear gas and disperse them. So after police begin to disperse them, police shoot tear gas, police release guns in the air, but we don't see anybody with bullet touch, and we don't see anybody with tear gas hit. But everybody pick place disappear, run, police arrest some people, and later, according to the commissioner of police, who will talk to later, they tell us that they later discharge everybody. Here they come again.